Hello YouTube, hello beekeepers. I'm going to be doing a new series on this channel. I've been a beekeeper for about 6 years now. I'm going into my 6th season. I'm going to be doing a new series. It's going to be documentation for me. Maybe I'll learn something, maybe I'll teach you guys something. So this first video is going to be me assembling hive equipment. So I got a 4-layer beehive set. It's 2 medium boxes. They're unassembled, of course, but 2 medium boxes, 2 deep boxes. You got 20 deep frames, 20 medium frames, screws to put the boxes together, nails for the frames. It also came with a metal mouse guard. It also came with a plastic clean excluder, a entrance reducer, and the bottom board, and the top cover and inner cover as well. So it was Beekeeping brand. I just got it on Amazon. It's about $200 for this 4-layer set, so it's not too shabby. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, let's start off with the deep boxes. Pretty easy. All we're gonna do is put these wood boards together. This will go like that. And then another side will go here. So it's pretty easy. And then you just screw it all together. Here's the inner cover it came with. Doesn't have an entrance hole. Pretty solid. And then the top cover. It's got a metal top, telescoping cover. All this stuff is dipped in boiled beeswax to protect it. So I really like the Beekeeping brand, not a sponsor. I bought a few boxes from them before and they've done really well. So alright, let's time lapse through the building process. Alright, 30 frames to go. Alright, there's the 2 medium supers. Now time for the deep brood box frames. Alright, there's everything put together. It took me about an hour and a half. Excited to be using this equipment this year. Hopefully I can split my hive a couple times and make some good use out of it. There it is. And there it is all together. We got 2 deep brood boxes and 2 medium honey supers. So it's a 4 hive beehive set. Of course it's not going to look like this when I split bees into it. I'm just going to start out with one brood box and then build them up as they go, because that would be way too much space for one little hive. The next video you're going to see is me actually going into the hive that I have. So I'm going to do that later today. So hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos.